In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your games not showing in OBS Studio. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, as you can see, I have Fortnite open right now. So I'm going to open up OBS Studio. It's going to look something like this. Now, all I want to do for Fortnite is go over to the plus icon right here. Once I have my scene, go to the plus and then go to game capture. You can name it whatever you want. I can just name it Fortnite, for example. Press OK. You can capture any full screen application, but what I like to do, what I've always done, is capture a specific window. So just go ahead and click on that, then you can choose the window. So over here, I just want to scroll down to Fortnite client. Go ahead and click on that, then just press OK. And also, you want to make sure if you have different things like a display capture, Fortnite, and stuff like that, you want to make sure that Fortnite is above any other displays, because if it's under them, basically it prioritizes what's ever on the top. So as you can see, display capture is right now on the top. That's why I can't see my game right now. And then all I want to do is literally just bring it back to the top, or above everything, unless you have like a webcam overlay, put that over Fortnite. But any display capture, you want it to be under Fortnite, and then that's it. You'll be good to go under any game that you're playing. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to let me know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.